In other news this evening, concerned Idaho healthcare providers, organizations, and advocates are calling on the Gem State senators to halt proposed cuts to healthcare and food assistance. KREM 2's Shannon Mowdy joining us now with how they say it could negatively impact thousands of Idahoans. Shannon?
The group Idaho Supports Medicaid says if the U.S. Senate doesn't make changes to the so-called Big Beautiful Bill, Idahoans will lose health care and, in some cases, their lives. As President Trump's spending bill lies in the hands of the Senate, nothing's set in stone. That's cold comfort to many Idahoans.
The largest cuts to health care and food assistance in history.
The group Idaho Supports Medicaid, which includes health care providers and organizations, says the trillions of dollars in proposed cuts could mean Idaho's Medicaid funding is slashed 11%.
Idaho alone would face a projected $3.5 billion cut in federal Medicaid funding.
The insurance program for low-income and disabled Americans covers 360,000 Idahoans, half of them children. Senior policy associate Hillarie Hagen says more than 30,000 of the Gem State's most vulnerable could lose health care coverage completely.
We know the power of Medicaid.
One of the bill's biggest sticking points is a work requirement for most recipients to stay eligible.
And alarmingly, those who fail to meet the requirement will not only be disenrolled from Medicaid, but also barred from accessing marketplace coverage. In Idaho, this could mean 18,500 people losing coverage each year.
What's more, Hagen says 59 Idahoans could die every year due to reduced access to care.
No one's going to lose those things if you qualify for the program.
Idaho Congressman Mike Simpson sat down with our Boise sister station to say the goal of the bill is to return the program to its original intent, helping those in need.
Should you be getting the benefit? If you're here illegally, should you be getting Medicare or Medicaid? I don't think so. So yeah, some people like that will probably lose that benefit.
No one should have to choose between feeding their kids and seeing a doctor. And so we urge Idaho senators to protect the lifelines tens of thousands of Idahoans depend on every day.
KREM 2 News did reach out to Idaho Senators Risch and Crapo and did not yet hear back. Shannon Mowdy, KREM 2 News.